Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mayor English. Today is day 58 of my English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you about why consistency is so hard. Uh, First of all, the meaning of consistency is doing something again and again without stopping, and it takes time. And uh, consistency takes your discipline, and in building your discipline it will take too much time. Sometimes I also feel not to record my video, not to practice. Sometimes I feel lazy, sometimes I feel demotivated, sometimes I feel I am not progressing, so I have to leave this challenge. But still I ignore all these things and I stay consistent so that I can practice my English daily. So if you want to be a consistent person, then you have to choose a thing which you want to do daily, and you do that thing daily and don't stop in this between this. And in this way you can achieve your consistency. And for example, like my video, I take a challenge for uh, 60 days, and you can see that today is 58 day, and there are 2 more days are left. Because of consistency I am able to complete my challenge, and this will uh, this will motivate me to also do next challenge. So that's it for today. See you guys in next video.